I'm Beau Frusetta. I'm with datedesigner.com. It's another Gangplank incubator company. Basically what I'm here today to tell you is you need to step up your dating game, because dating is important whether you're single or you're married, and datedesigner.com makes it a lot less painful in the planning process. This is one of my slides that's out of order that I found out today. But this is kind of our homepage. It's pretty simple. It's kind of got some stuff going on, but this is where you're going to enter into the site. So next slide, please. Come on. All right. So datedesigner.com provides a way for users to build and share great date ideas tagged to local venues to help build a better dating experience. That's kind of my elevator pitch. I'm working on it. Chili's, Applebee's, and Olive Garden do not apply in this situation. There are so many better places to go than those. So anyways, the story about datedesigner.com. I was single, married, had kids, got divorced, all in 2 years. Back to the dating scene. I had a few great ideas, but then it turned into rerun dates with, different chicks. So then this light came on. Okay. So 3 years later, Gangplank headquarters starts up. I submit my idea for datedesigner.com to them. It gets accepted, and then we took it basically from idea to product in 30 days. So what you see out there was developed in 30 days. So why is dating important? Well, in relationships, it's important to keep the romance alive. So like I was saying, like whether you're married or single, like dating, like go on date nights, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. You can also discover new venues around you. You can learn more about each other, and most importantly, you can have fun. I mean, that's the major part of it. Okay. So all great dates start with a plan. Okay. You have multiple venues on a date. You have at least 2 people, unless you're Sunny, you might have upwards of 5. I mean, the dude runs a harem. I mean, But, so anyways, so where do you go to find new ideas or plans to plan your next great date? Well, you come to my site, datedesigner.com, and then you go to the search date screen. Didn't work. It's not going to go. There we go. All right, so here's the search date screen. You can basically define your criteria up here. It's kind of limited at this point. Like I said, it's 30 days of development. You can search by category, location, and sort by date. You can build a date from scratch, or you can view the dates that are listed here after you search. You can click through to one of the dates, and you get this date detail page. Basically gives you a title, who it's from, how it's categorized, gives you date ratings over there, which define romance, cost, and like fun factors, a description, venues, and the venue map of where all the venues are on that specific date. Click through to the venues, you get another basic page because we're still adding information. But basically you get the name of the company, their address, where they are on a map, and then reviews. All the reviews are pulled dynamically from yelp.com. So if anybody's out there using yelp.com and they leave a review, there it goes. So let's say you have a great date idea, but you want to express it out to everybody else. So you can go and you can build it in the build a date section. It's that 16 seconds that's screwing me up. Okay, so here you go. This is like the date builder. You can search for venues by location and then by category, and then of course you can sort them. You get your venues listed over here, and you can add them over here to your date plan. If you can't find a venue that you're looking for, you can actually suggest a venue. You basically type in the name, give it a city, state, zip, whatever, and it searches Google, comes back with results here, and then you just select which one, add the selected, it'll add it to our database, and then you can add it right to your date immediately. And then you can save your date plan. Give it a title, give it a description, be brief, but don't be too brief. We want to know what's going on. And then give it some categories. I mean, is it romantic, fun, and classy, or is it just kind of simple? Is it a first or blind date, active date, under 21 date, whatever. So, and at this point, I'd recommend actually going on the date because there's nothing more that I can offer at this point. All right? So you go on the date, you have a great time, maybe you find some new stuff going on that you'd actually like to tell other people about. So you can come back and review your date. You can make modifications to that actual date or any other existing dates that you may have created. And then you can also create new dates to share with everyone else. So basically you build all your ideas, save them, and give them to the world. So that's it. I've got the site is still in beta. Feedback is wanted and accepted. Love feedback. Send it to feedback@datedesigner.com, and whenever Jade finishes Get Woofy, you can do it through there too. Next. I am Beau Frusetta, Chief Date Designer and Developer. Brent Spores, Chief Designer of Awesome Sauce. And Gangplank HQ is the chief of everything else. They're my advisors. They're my financial backers. And he's throwing stuff at me. Nice. All right, so anyways, thank you. There's the beta code. That's actually going to be removed within the next 2 days, so you'll no longer have to put a beta code in to have fun with the site.